Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Man, we got another incredible vehicle for you today. I'm really excited about this one. It's so different, it's so cool, it's so nice. It's a 34 Dodge, a real steel body 34 Dodge truck. It's got a Hemi motor in it, air conditioned, 4-speed, multiple award winner. It's been in numerous magazines. It's turnkey, ready to drive. It's just an awesome old school hot rod. Visit volocars.com and you can read all the specs. You can study over 100 pictures. You can get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this pick-em-up truck. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? 34 Dodge, all steel body. I have a photo album here. It was a really nice old truck to start with. They took a finished, running, beautiful truck and completely took it apart down to a bare frame, down to a bare cab. They stripped it all down and rebuilt it, and it's all documented right here. Let's start with the underside. It's the same screaming yellow, the whole underneath. The frame was stripped bare, like I said, prepped, painted. The front end's completely new. All the steering components, the shocks, the leaf springs. Has disc brakes at all four wheels. Leaf springs and shocks and back were replaced. Has a 4-inch drop tubular front axle. Gives it that really nice stance. When you look up at the motor, it's clean. It has a high torque starter. It has a Mopar. That's what's cool. They kept it Mopar. 833 4-speed. And something about the gear ratio in there, that fourth gear, he says this car does 1,800, 2,000 RPM as you're doing highway speeds. This car will drive all day long. There's actually 10,000 miles on the odometer, so this is a driver. I was actually surprised. I had to look twice at the mileage because it's so clean. It looks like it's 1,000 miles. So it's show quality and it's a driver. In back, it does have a Ford rear end. It's a Ford 9-inch. It's a popular choice by hot rodders. It has 389 gears. The fuel system's been replaced. Exhaust system's new. It's got nice turn-down tips in the back. So there you have it. That's the underside. Under the hood here, it's a 270 red Ram, I think they call it, Hemi motor, professionally rebuilt, bored 30 over. It's got Chrysler cam, a little hotter cam in there. On top, it's got an Offenhauser intake with 3 brand new, well, at 2018, they're 2 years old. They still look brand new. Tri-power carbs with the little chrome, like teapot style air cleaners on it. It does have a Chrysler electronic ignition system. All 3 carbs are working. The thing runs great. It's vintage air too, if you didn't notice that. It's a vintage heat and air conditioning system. It's aluminum radiator. It's got a polished overflow bottle. It's got these louvers here, no rear bumper. Look at the old Dodge taillight. It says Dodge right here in the lens, and they got LED bulbs in there, and these are turn signals as well. It's the only thing fiberglass on the car, the rear fenders, because they're wider for these big fat tires. All 4 tires are radial white walls. The rims are gleaming, beautiful chrome rims. The Dodge right in the center is painted in yellow, a nice little detail. The running boards have been recovered. There's yellow welting between the fenders and the body. Suicide doors. It's got door handles. I love that. I'm not a big fan of the remote poppers. I like it has door panels or handles. The paint is like yellow glass. Literally, this is slick. I've been going around it a few times. I've been writing my description. I haven't seen a flaw in the body or paint yet. Not saying I didn't miss one. There is a little nick inside the door jamb, but beautiful. And it has a nice detail in the original fender here. These are metal. It's a 34 front bumper, and it's got a little yellow detail in there. Original grill shell. It's all restored. It's got the Ram hood ornament. The original style guide headlights, all new glass, rechromed windshield frame. These old wipers, it's an intermittent style wiper. It's an updated wiper motor that's in there, electric wipers. Those are power windows too. So this old school truck has some nice features. It's got a real nice oak refinished floor with stainless steel strips. Got some nice latches for the tailgate. The box is just pristine metal. The gas filler's right here, and it has a Dodge Brothers gas cap on it. The interior, beautiful, old school, white with the pleated inserts, yellow piping. It's got the perforated headliner. All the inside chrome is like show quality. Has the old pull handles. The door handles are new. This is power windows, power locks. The locks are on a remote. The seat's completely rebuilt. They show the cushions, the springs, everything done. It's got a nice contour. Behind it, there are some mat pockets on the rear panel. It has retractable shoulder belt seat belts. The floor is recarpeted, and it has mats, it has bound edges. It's a light color carpet. There's a little staining on the carpet. It's got the Hurst 4-speed, and also has an emergency brake handle down on the floor. Comfortable. I'm 6 foot. I fit in here fine. I wanted to show you this real quick. It's got these real nice pins because they're suicide doors. You got these pins. I've seen that on other cars. This is one of the nicer functioning ones that I've seen. The dash, the instrument bezel, is a nice machine-turned, vintage, rare bezel with all new white Stuart Warner gauges. And it has a matching Stuart Warner tachometer on the column. That's the way hot rodders did it back then. Beautiful steering wheel. It has the Dodge Brothers horn button, 3 flat aluminum spokes with white leather grip. It's on a Flaming River polished steering column. This truck, it's listed on our website, but it's been in 6 magazines, major magazines. It's been on a TV show, which we'll be putting the YouTube link in our description. It's won multiple major awards, just as recently as a couple months ago at a 700-car show. It won Best Mopar. So this thing, like I said, it's a driver and it's a show truck. It has a secret audio stereo, they call it. It does have a remote. And everything in here, the yellow is painted beautifully, the knobs are neat and clean, and the vents and the pedals, and everything's really nice. I'm going to start it up. It is a little cold-blooded with the tri-power, but it should be fine. Yeah, it's fine, but when you do start it up cold, it will take a few minutes to warm up nice. Probably take it out of here before you get out of it, huh? Just a neat truck. It's so different. The quality's there. It's just tastefully done. I wouldn't change anything. I think they took it further than I could have even imagined. Who would put a Hemi and air conditioning and a tri-power? And that is power 4-wheel disc brakes. What a cool truck. See the LED taillights. It's a 12-volt system, obviously. There you have it, folks. Chance to get something real cool and unique, something to be proud of. This is one of them. You're just going to open the door and look in your garage, and it's going to make you feel good. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have more detailed questions or want to know specifics, feel free to ask. They can help assist with that. They can also help with all the paperwork, the financing, the delivery. That's at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching our videos, subscribe on the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.